I'm sure na intriga talaga kayo kung sino at ano ang diet na sinundan ng dalawang guest na pinakita namin kanina.
Correct, dahil hindi daw talaga diet pills at hindi rin special food. Hindi nga daw kailangan pang mag-exercise.
Gusto ko yun.
Oo. Ang lahat ng yun ay nasa usual food lang daw na nasa bahay natin. At ang tawag doon ay Cohen Program.
Alam mo, narinig ko yan dati, ate, at yung friend ko, sobrang laki rin ng pinayat niya sa Cohen Program.
Ayan, at para ikwento sa atin ang program na yan, please welcome, nag-lose ng 75 pounds in just 6 months, Anton Martinez.
Wow!
And nag-lose ng 100 pounds in 9 months, Kate Rigor.
Hello, guys!
Hello.
Wow!
Hello.
100 pounds and 75 pounds. Grabe. Ako nga 10 pounds.
Ako muna nagtatanong.
Yes.
So, sino nag-recommend sa inyo ng Cohen Program?
Actually, family friend na doctor din. Dermatologist siya.
Also, I'm a doctor.
And then, under that program, so na-recommend sa inyo, ano yung mga kinakain nyo sa bahay?
Well, normal food lang, like linaga or like...
Really?
Yeah, yung mga omelette, vegetable omelette, or
Okay.
tinola.
And then no exercise talaga? Ano yun? Bawal mag-exercise or kahit hindi na pwede na?
Bawal excessive. Bawal excessive exercise.
So, teka muna. So, pag ito ang kinakain nyo, may nakita ko ditong lagang
Nilaga,
baka.
oo.
Baka or pork? Baka. and
Wow,
then
talaga
baka.
pwede
Chicken,
Chicken
salad,
salad.
and then, ano to?
It's
This is
spinach and
with
mushroom
peanuts.
omelette.
Parang sarap yun.
With papay.
Gusto ko
And then the
kainin.
fruit.
Fruit, of course.
Para i-explain sa atin ng mas maigi at para mas maintindihan natin lalo, tawagin natin ang expert, the Executive Director of Cohen's Lifestyle Center,
Philippines.
Success story din mismo. Na nag-diet. She lost how many pounds, Grace Lee?
79 pounds. Wow.
Wow.
In 8.5 months lang yun.
Nako, at tawagin natin si Miss
Regina Suavo.
Hi, Madam.
Hello. Welcome to Sleep Live.
Thanks
First
for having us.
question. What is Cohen's program?
Why Cohen?
Okay, the Cohen program is actually a scientific weight loss program.
All right.
Okay, it is a personalized eating plan created for a person based on the biochemistry of his blood.
Okay.
No, what we say here in the Cohen Center is being obese or overweight actually is a hormonal imbalance.
Yes.
Okay, so sometimes you don't understand how come, like probably for you, Miss Wilma, you're very thin. Anything you eat, you don't gain weight.
Malakas kumain si Ate Wilma.
Anything you eat. Pero for some people like us with the obesity syndrome,
Yeah.
we just smell food or eat a little
Yes.
bit, we gain so much.
Kaya yung sabi nga nila, kahit uminom ng tubig para tumataba ka.
Oo,
Parang
nagre-retain
nag-bloat.
ka ng water. That's actually one symptom that can show that you may be suffering from the obesity syndrome.
So you were saying na tong klaseng program na to, tong Cohen program, wala tong parang walang bawal. For example, halimbawa ako may sakit, I'm diabetic or I have a heart problem, pwede ba sa akin tong Cohen program?
Okay, what we are correcting, actually, there's a science behind the program, no? What we are correcting is the hormonal imbalance. And you really generally need to be still healthy to undergo the program.
Okay.
So, unfortunately, we have to pre-screen also the clients that those with serious illnesses already, like diabetes you mentioned, or severe heart condition, or
High blood,
liver and kidney problem,
Okay.
they cannot do the program anymore.
So gaano katagal makikita yung result pag nag-undergo ka sa Cohen program?
It's a very mabilis yung weight loss dito. Actually, we've noted average our clients would lose about 8 to 10 pounds a month.
A month?
No, it's
Wow.
very rapid because what we do is what the program does is it triggers your body to burn fat naturally.
At yung mga small eating lang, ano?
Wow.
So ma'am, sa mga gusto pong mag-enroll ng Cohen program, I hope you don't mind me asking, magkano naman po ito? O base sa gaano kakalaki?
No, actually, regardless kung ilan ang kailangan mo i-lose, we only have one price. No,
Okay.
It's a flat price
Flat rate, yes.
for the whole program. And the program consists of your eating plan mo, that's the weight loss phase. And then what's unique also with the Cohen program, yung refeeding plan, what we call the refeeding plan, is the stabilization phase. So that's another that's another plan. And then yung maintenance guidelines, yun yung strategies how to maintain your weight after you've lost the weight. And then may consultancy program dito. So, yung receiving plan is very good because actually, as in any diet, kahit ano namang diet, papayat ka eh. It's after, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin.
Let's ask the two. Ano yung health benefits na nakuha nyo after the program?
Before kasi talagang nagkakaroon ako ng IBM, lahat ng sa system ko.
Yes.
Ngayon nag-normal na siya.
Normal na lahat.
Apo, normal na
How about
lahat.
you?
Well, for me, parang before I felt lazy. And then, parang mas energetic na ako ngayon.
Parang mabigat kasi yung katawan no? Go for it.
Thank you so much. Please invite our viewers on how to get in touch with you.
Okay. For those who are interested and who would like to know more about the Cohen program, we conduct free presentations. We conduct free presentations weekly, no? You can book, that's no obligation. You come in, you hear everything about the program. You can check our website, www.cohenlifestyle.com.ph, or you can also call us at 501-5237 or 502-1090.